Just tight enough till it starts to loosen up, right?
Wow. Hey! It's like it's got a little number 2 on the back side of it. Got the pressure washer moved over here. I got some trucks running. Charge the batteries, let them run. Let it move. That back here, got the Komatsu off. Lowboy, wash it up. It needs it bad. Well, let's see if you'll start. Of course you will. I don't know why you wouldn't. Let's take the dozer off. Can't do that one-handed either, can you? I'm gonna back this down there and unload back there so I don't get the mud out of the tracks in here. Try to keep it a little cleaner up here. I already got it built in there. We're at 90 psi. Good thing there's a window in the back, then I can just watch through my phone to back up. Oh, that's right, I have mirrors. Ooh. I'm getting a little crooked. Trying to be all funny with the phone. I messed that up. Watching my phone. I have mirrors. I'm kind of using the mirrors now this time because I messed up the last time I tried to be funny. My backup camera. Once in a while I like to just peek over my shoulder to make sure. There's so many things I get back into. I think I'm going to call that good. I'm going to flip the PTO in and dump the air in the truck. Oh, Matthew, your new plug-in works too good. Well, let's get you off that trailer. Okay, it's off. There's all kinds of dirt that needs to be swept off that trailer, little rocks. Can't have that. Oh, and you may have noticed, somebody doesn't wear gloves either. Somebody tore the ramp off this last winter. Matthew, how come you haven't fixed that yet? You need to go down. I need you to be in the down position. Go down. Now, go, push. Yes, I use the force. Look at all the stuff that fell out of those tracks. Can't be having this on the lowboy. How long did it take you to clean that off? The sun was out when you started. Radiator cover is off. Oh, this clay and grass mixture, that was fun trying to get that out of there. I got interrupted and worked on a shower. 6:30 at night. You're gonna have to wait till tomorrow. You're gonna have to wait till tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day. and I've been here for a while. I actually been working on batteries on a truck over there, charging that. I shoveled out the other side of this dozer, and that's what all the dirt on the ground is. I got the dozer up on the track of the Timco because I'm going to go underneath it and take the front belly pan out. I think I offended Tina Fitzwater when I said hi to Tina Chambers in the last video. If you want me to say hi to you, put it in the comments. I'll throw it at the end of the video. Yeah, let's do that. If you want me to say hi to you. Hi. Well, you know, you think you get it clean in here. Still a bunch of grass and mud there. I got that side better. But I'm going to take out this belly pan. 3 bolts. No, 2 bolts on each side and 3 across the front. I don't know what's going to happen when I take this off. Oh, did I just poke you in the eye with that bolt? Sorry about that. Now, let's take this off. Let's see what's going to happen here. Get ready to call 911. Okay, the back is coming down. I thought maybe it had some kind of catch. You know, maybe I could just do something like that, and the water and junk will just flow out of back there, and that way I don't have to take it completely off. Let's do that. Alright, I got a bunch of mud and grass cleaned out of there. Now, time to be... So I think it was last year where I did that video on being a logging trailer proctologist. I think I'm going to be a Komatsu proctologist. Do I dare say that?
Oh my gosh, that's...
Nobody's going to hear me. I'll say it. Time to be a Komatsu proctologist. Oh. Okay. Okay. A little plugged up under here, Komatsu. I think you need more fiber. Or in dozer terms, less clay. Maybe I shouldn't use that kind of humor, huh? You guys won't say anything to anybody, but don't say anything. Don't say anything. Hey, maybe I shouldn't put that in the video because I think Mom's been watching my videos again lately. I've gotten a couple of thumbs down. I'm gonna guess that was her. But anyway, if you guys like the channel and you want to support me, the best thing you can do for me is give me the thumbs up. Actually, maybe this was an inappropriate time of the video to bring that up. Never mind. But I do appreciate all the thumbs up. Thank you.
They're a little sick in the head. The log and herpes got to them.
I mean it. Thank you. Thank you. How's my shirt still halfway clean? I don't know. Yeah. Fueling up the Hotsy. Give the old Komatsu a bath. And those of you concerned viewers, you're correct. These motor mounts are wore a little bit. Yeah. The shower is over here, not over there. Can't have you showering with the Timco. That's better. We're coming for you. Just like real McCoy after eating ramps. You know what that means, right? It's full of gas. Never mind. Okay. Choke on. Fire in a hole. Oh. No fire in the hole. Give throttle. Sounds like a champ. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think it's time to shut the hose off. It's full. It's full. Yeah, definitely full. Yeah, I can tell that. Thanks for your support, Scruffy. And Kenny. And Mike. And Mike. And Mike. There's a lot of mics. Kind of like a yellow engine, then you know where the dirt is. So this side looks pretty good. Radiator looks good. Looks pretty clean on this side. Look down in there. Looks pretty good. Inspecting. Oh. I must have blew some junk from the other side to this side because that's how pressure washing works. Ah, that filter looks old. These things don't. I think this is the first time this has been back to the shop in a couple of years. I don't get very many hours on them. So, you know, even changing that oil at 200 hours, it still takes a few years to get that many hours. Alright, I better go over this another time. Let's try it again. Wide open. Why was that turned up so high? Actually, it's nice to wash on a hot day because this mist is actually kind of cool. So technically, I'm taking a shower with the Komatsu. Why'd the chicken cross the road? Ah, that makes sense. Thank you. I've often wondered that. Here's the latest project at MMH Welding. This boat trailer, it broke right there. And this guy is like from Illinois or somewhere. And he showed up, brought these. Matthew welded them on because they broke off right behind the spring shackle. He's good to go. Guy's happy. Good job, Matthew. Another project. So are you welding this or are you building a new plate?
Welding it.
Okay. Gonna weld it. Cast aluminum. Well, that turned out pretty nice. Must have welded the bottom too. Oh yeah. Yes you did. Another job where we just cross our fingers and hope it works.
Hey, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, Metro.
Ready?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Woo! Thanks for watching. Have a great day.